boys and girls, we're live. Mm, what the heck is going on in the market? We are 680 to 620, 40 points up, and it's basically traced the entire way back down. It's corrected itself, so we haven't seen orange hold cleanly yet. So that will have to be something that proves itself. We do have VWAP up here as well. Um, we didn't quite retest this 80 area. We don't know why this 8250 held here. But look at this. We got 80 down to 66. So there's 15 points basically, 14 points between green and red. So so game plan. I don't really like 86. This could hold for higher, but I'm not interested in buying that. I'm not even interested in buying 8250. Um, a double bottom at 80 is kind of the play. And then if we're looking up here, we have VWAP. We do have this 9750. That could be the resistance. But right above that is 6700, which is a mental support and resistance zone. So it's totally possible to come back and check it and push back down. I'm switching it up. I'm only trading one contract, so it kind of changes the name of the game a little bit. I have to take a profit. I have to take my trade base. Take profit is I have to give it a little bit of a chance, but it's a little bit tougher game to play. Excuse me. I should do some sort of cleansing when I'm not coughing all your ears. We are 2 minutes away from open. So go on with 2 here. Now, this has been holding. I'm not terribly interested. Like I said, terribly interested in that. I think we're heading lower. It's just, well, I don't know that actually until we know we're going lower. But this is some pretty good strength. Like this one little order block in there is the only blue candle we had for basically half an hour. Might be working through this at the open here. I mean, if we do test 80, that's Let's see, 30 seconds to open. Let's see what happens here when we open here. I mean, we do have 6 points between green and here. And that's kind of what my goal is every day is 6 points with one contract. All right, we're open. Why the delay? Let's see, we actually test 80 here. Hmm. Hmm. Maybe close was close enough, but didn't give me my entry. There's not a ton of strength to this upside yet. I mean, we do have divergence forming here. Pretty good divergence. Hmm. That was it, eh? Let's see if we get a test here of 86 again. Let's see. Let's see. It held, but yeah. Let's see. Might be worth a little shot here if it holds again, but hmm. Let's see if I can feel that 86 here. There's not a ton of strength. And then I'm gonna go in 84. 84.75. Hmm. I mean, it's holding slightly, but it's also holding. It's just playing around. So, not a huge fan of this trade right now. Um, yeah, I should really exit this. If we get back above, I'll move to break even. But I think we're pushing down now. Or back above. I said I'd move to break even, didn't I? It's just too much. It's like 50-50. We could go up, we could not go up. Like that's just some way to put it, but we'll see if we can break this 90. We've got to break this. I mean, it's see. This is where if I was trading my two, I would have taken some there at that 90, but it is what it is. Let's see if we can break this 90 because we could run. Let's go Red Wings. I don't know why Red Wings. No real news coming in. Let's push up. 86 and then like 92 is my target for the day. So I want to give it a chance to get through that 92 and then I'll move up to, I'll drag my stop. Let's see. I don't want to trail here. Let's push. Let's push. Mm. There we go. Let's go. Oh, let's go up. I'm gonna keep those four. Uh, it is what it is. We're not breaking that 92. I just don't want to give all this back right now because it's yeah. I'll take those four. Yeah, I'm okay with this. I mean, yeah, there's potential to run another 96 points, but yeah. Yeah, maybe back in this range. I mean, it's a 6 point range, but uh, what are you gonna get on that? I'm not really interested in buying this again. 92 holding for the second time. So we'll see what happens. I think I got lucky just getting those 4 points, to be honest with you. Um, what to do, what to do. Let's just see if it breaks green, gives us a retest if we're heading lower, because there's nothing here I really wanted to sell, especially if we had this positive divergence forming. So, I mean, 92, you could look. Yeah, could get chewed up pretty easy in here. I mean, we still do have this you know, positive divergence in here from way back where, if we go down here and test. So it might be worth a shot. I might just want to test this 80. Let's see if we can fill at 81. Okay, I'm in at 81. I'm just going 79.50 on this. Yeah, it was worth a shot. It might be worth another shot here. I mean, it's given us opportunities if we want in, but that could have been, look on that 2 minute. We couldn't get back, so we might be shifting gears. Yeah, I think we are here. This one, the 2 came and probed this 81.25, so that's a good indication. Well, if we get a drew test in green, I'll sell. That might have been it. Let's see. There's this test of green. Well, let's see if we hold here. Let's try see if I get still here. Nah, I should have shot that. Should have shot that shit. Excuse me. I said, but I'm making excuses. Okay, let's see what happens here. Do this test of orange. Here's a situation. If you're in, you don't want it to test, but now we're in. Dang. Yeah. You know, how far we got here? We still got 67. So, I mean, we're still 6 points to red. So let's see if we get a test of green. Let's see if there's anything there. Excuse me. 62.25. What does it really look like? No, nothing should really hold it up here. I'd really like another test of green, but Oreos. Funny, as I said that, right? If this 86 was a sell, but it's so easy to shoot up in there, so you can't look at that. Let's see. Getting a little bit of a bounce here. It might just bounce to 76. $77, I guess, 76, 75. Okay, let's see here. Give us an entry. Pretty please. I think we're going to stop at the 70. I mean, that's probably high enough, but it's not good enough for me to sell. Oh, look at that, right to the tick, hey? I gotta listen to myself. Mazel tov. Bada bada boom. Hey. Get rid of this guy. Well, what are you doing there? Oh, Monday, Tuesday. I still don't have interest in the 76. I'd rather see green. And that's previous day open. Mm-hmm. Pushing pretty strong here. Not respecting green at all. Yeah. I might have missed our chances there. We never hit red. I mean, this was the sell. 80 down it. I mean, we went 8 points. Definitely some movement today. It's just, why am I not saying what NQ's doing? NQ's back above its orange. Back above its orange, unless this is going to be its orange. Could be just testing its orange. We haven't been able to break this 92. Yeah, I guess there was no reason to buy this 70. If you bought 70, you see something I don't see. Go to a 1 hour chart. Look at nothing. Look at that. This could have been the sell. This 91 now, but because we're basically testing VWAP. Oh yeah, I mean, we might just have this little tiny win today. NQ is back in its kind of range. That could have been the sell. Could have been. I'm not interested in buying green anymore. I mean, it hasn't held clean. I think that if anything was a sell up there. But 70 to 90, that's 20 points. I think I missed the sell again. Like I said, though, there's nothing really at 90 that made me wanna. And I'm definitely not gonna buy green. So I don't know from here. I'd rather see. I don't know what I see. Have to blow through red and resell red at this point. Nah, that 90 was bothered to sell. I mean, what's that 80s to buy? Too much second guessing here. No, where's my two? Where's my two? I think we're going down, down, down. Pro 8275. Give me the sell right there, that check. Yeah. Whoa. I think I wasn't sold selling there. Hmm. That might be it. It's kind of ugly morning. That that pro down 77.50. I mean, that could be a buy, but you're just guessing right now, looking for trades. This would have been a nice sell at 92, but it wasn't on the radar, so I didn't take that. I was going the opposite direction, off 86. Um, yeah, and I think we're heading. I still believe we're heading down. See what happens at 86. Muzzle time. Do it, do it. Mm. Yeah, maybe that pro was a hold here, but just wait around. Got a minute to 8 o'clock here, 30 seconds. Yeah, VWAP, double, triple top, basically in this area. I can't call it a top, but resistance. I don't know what to say because uh, I'm still up $100, but uh, hindsight, that 29.92. 92, 92, 92. This one probably should have left alone. Okay. I mean, we still got lots of time. It's only been half hour. I don't want to spend any more than an hour. We're usually done by this time, but you know what? Have you even been able to hear me? A microphone way over there. Is that better? So NQ is above its orange. Uh, I'm still not sold on buying green. I mean, 86. Let's see what happens here. I mean, we're coming into resistance on NQ. Might have to wait to see if we break orange and then look for a retest. I mean, we're kind of bumping up against this guy, 96. 96. Anybody? 96? Mazel tov. MACD is pushing up hard, as expected with this. I mean, if it was still pushing down, this would be a nicer sell, but just gotta sit around and watch it go. Sit around and watch it go. It's not like it's rip roaring. Don't. Yeah, we're still look at this, pushing up hard on the MACD. I mean, I do expect to see something off of the 6,700. I don't know how much of a pullback we'll get, but it's just a mental area for people. Round numbers. I mean, and we do have, look at this. Get rid of this too. Not quite yet. I think NQ wants to push higher, but let's see what happens here. Microphone, mic. Okay. Let's see if we get much of a pullback here. Nothing, no reaction yet. Just slowly creeping up. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's look at this too. Like, there's been no pullback since down here. I went in. I suppose this was that area. It's just really hard to short into this strength. I mean, orange could hold. I mean, on the flip side of this, maybe we just break 6,700 and it holds for higher. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, and Q starting to pull back a little from. I want to short this, but I just can't. Like, look at this, like this, just marching straight up. MACD marching straight up. There's nothing really that has shown resistance here besides mentally. I might just pack it in, take my $100 and come back tomorrow. So in hindsight, this was the buy, obviously at 80, and we've gone 20 points. That probe to 77.25. But looking back here, I mean, it was just, we could have gone either way because we did get rejected as this 90. Let's see. Let's watch the two, and if we get like that retest of orange right there, it could have been a buy, but we'll see. That might be it, though. When you start talking like that, then you know it should probably be it. Do it. Problem being, look at this. We got an E1 here on the 2. And so if I would have entered off of that guy, my stop would have been right down here at 78 when I got taken out before we went higher, and I would have not re-entered. So, I mean, hindsight's 2020, right? But when you kind of break it down, on how the entry might have looked, if I entered off the 5, um, I still need a 3-point stop on that, which I guess if I'm trading one contract is doable, but let's see if we get any sort of pullback here. I mean, right now, green is testing, NQ is testing all-time highs. And just poke through. So we'll see. We should get a pullback off on NQ. We should be getting a pullback. So maybe we'll get a pullback here on ES as well. Yeah, I don't know why. I mean, let me take a peek here. Why was that? Was it this? That tested the red on that move. So that kind of gives us our reason why it stopped at 70. What was that candle made? That's 710. So that makes sense. That was our 30% extension target from 82. That took us down to 70. That's why we never saw other red. So let me see this. So if that ended up holding, then what's our what's my orange? Uh, 01. Let's see what we get here. Which here's a pullback off of 1. See, there's a pullback coming in from NQ. I don't know if we're going to get the entry here, though, for ES. Let's take a peek. I mean, given that, too, NQ still needs to break that all-time high. They just probed through. It made a new all-time high. But it's pulling back off that, like I said. I just don't know. ES has a bit to catch up. It's still 20 points away for new all-time highs on ES. Yes. 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 Put your thumb out. Give me a ride. Let's go. Let me go. Tick, 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 boom, 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 tick, boom. Well, of course, there's going to be a little bit of resistance right here. 76. Yeah, Q's pulled back 15 points. I think I got to wrap her up. Wrap it up, wrap it in. Let me end. Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Tuesday. Ba 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 ba. How much do you want this back? How much do you want this little hello? Give me my money back. Entry here. I just don't know. I don't know. So if I could take this trade and put it here, lovely. It's not pulling back far enough for me. I mean, we got to pull back at least to 6,700, I think. Well, at least 6,701. Ba, 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 ba. Mazel tov. Do it, do it. Ah. Yeah, we're not getting this pullback. Watch, I'll leave and we'll get this nice little comeback. It'll test 6,700 perfectly and then run 20 points. I mean, on the other side, if you're trailing this, boom, by say 4 points even, we never even have a full 4-point pullback yet. I mean, what's this? 66, 62. There's your first 4-point pullback. Unless it could have happened in here, obviously, but yeah, I'm gonna have to take my $100 and go home. Dang it. So I gave it a chance to break through here. I could have had my points here. Like I said, I'm aiming for 6 points a day at 92. But I got 4 and then I lost. I gave back 81, 925, almost 2. But such is life. I guess I go get on with the real world. I mean, NQ is holding its green at the moment. The trouble with that is if we do get a pullback, I mean, trying to talk myself into sticking around for a trade. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Do it, do it, do it. Yeah, I think I got to shut her down. Some good opportunities. I mean, this is a problem. If I would have known this red that held to the tick, then I would have been probably more willing to buy this. But since we're looking for lower and only 67, we hit 70, so 3 points lower. Yeah. No bueno. All right. That is it.